Okay, we have a loud no, not a loud noise. It's a loud noise coming from the belts. So I'm gonna turn it, start the car on so you can hear it. Okay. Okay, it comes from. You can really hear it. It's a little bit noisy. It's not huge noise, but you can tell it's like uh, when you idle, when you press the gas, you can hear it more. So I'm gonna show you what's the little noise and then how do I fix it. Okay. So let me just put this is a Honda Ridgeline. Okay. I'm gonna press the gas so you can hear it better when I press the gas. Okay. Okay, first thing that we're gonna do is gonna inspection the belt to see if it's not cracked or if the tensioner is still good. You know, if or is there any noise from the pulleys as well. So I'm gonna remove the belt to inspection it, and I'm gonna remove just the bracket just to get access to put my ratchet in there. But I'm not gonna show you all the stuff. I'm just gonna go directly to the when I get remove the belt. Okay. So I got I'm gonna remove the belt by just loosen it just like this. Let me see if I can use the other hand and so you can see better. There you go. Okay, let's check the belt. In this case, the belt is good. Okay, the belt is not cracked. I just replaced it a few months ago, so that's not gonna be the problem. After this, I'm gonna just start now playing with the pulleys. I'm gonna turn it by hand all the pulleys and see if one of the pulleys make any strange or weird noise. Okay, and then we'll see if which one is gonna be the bad one. Okay, so the belt is good, so now let's gonna check the pulleys. Okay, now we're gonna check the pulleys. So like I told you guys before, just checking by turning each pulley. So I'm gonna do the one is for the tensioner. I'm gonna test the one for the alternator and the idle pulley. Okay. Okay, in this case, for some reason the the sound of my camera didn't work on this part, but I'm turning all the pulleys. Okay. And then I'm gonna checking which one is the one makes the strange noise. As you can see on the alternator is the one is making the weird noise. So I guess it's gonna be the alternator pulley. So because I'm doing the other ones, the other one runs good. No, I didn't find any noise on the pulley or tensioner pulleys and the idle or the tensioner pulley. Okay, so those two are good, but the alternator one right here, every time I turn it, it makes a squeezy noise. Yeah, squeezy noise right there. Yeah, there you go. That's the alternator pulley. It makes a squeezy noise. So I guess you the way I'm gonna fix it is just by adding any WD-40, which I have in my toolbox. I'm gonna just spray inside between the pulley, the alternator pulley, and I'm gonna spray inside the alternator as well. This is just for the squeezy noises. We can lubricate. I think that's all the alternator needs. So this is the way I'm gonna fix my noise, squeezy noise on my alternator pulley. So just make sure to apply just now on the pulley with the belt seats. Put it right here. Look, all the way right there. Hold on, let me just a little. Put it as much as you can. It's just lubricant. It's not gonna hurt any components in the alternator. Okay. So just spray on right there. Yeah, there you go. Just between here and there. Okay. So you had to spray a little bit of WD-40. Okay, I'm gonna try again. See, it works. Okay, it works good. So I'm just gonna spray more because I don't wanna take the belt off again. Okay, I think the squeezy noise is gone. All right, there you go. More, por favor, señor. Okay, and I'm gonna put it inside the alternator as well. I think that's good. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together, everything with the belt and everything. I'm not gonna show you how to do it. I'm just gonna put it and start the car on and see if I fix it. Okay. Okay, guys, I just put my belt on my car and just make sure everything looks good, and then after that you want to start the car. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start the car, run the car, and see if there's any noise coming from the engine again, from the belt. Okay. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and open the hood. Well, the hood is open. It's already open. So I guess no more noise. No squeezy noise anymore. I think we fixed it, guys. Just spraying WD-40 the alternator. I'm gonna put the camera here, so I'm gonna press the gas. You can see if there's any noise coming from there anymore. Okay. Alright, that's it, guys. We gotta fix it. So thank you very much for watching. So if you have this problem, just add a subscribe WD-40. Okay. And I say thank you for watching Rescue Channel to the channel. Bye bye.